Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find this information helpful. Outbrain is a powerful platform that allows you to connect with a vast audience and amplify your content's reach. It operates as a native advertising network, meaning your promoted articles seamlessly blend in with the organic content on publisher websites. This integration provides a less intrusive advertising experience for readers, increasing the likelihood of engagement. Think of it as a recommendation engine. After reading an article on a partner site, you'll often see a section labeled Recommended for You or something similar. These recommendations frequently feature content promoted through Outbrain, effectively connecting your material with readers who have already demonstrated interest in related topics. This targeted approach ensures your message reaches a highly receptive audience. Outbrain boasts a massive network of premium publishers, including CNN, BBC, and The Washington Post, to name a few. By leveraging this network, you can expose your content to millions of potential readers across the globe, significantly broadening your reach and driving traffic back to your website. One of the key advantages of Outbrain is its advanced targeting capabilities. You can refine your audience based on various demographics, interests, and even the specific content they've consumed. This granular control ensures your message resonates with the right people, maximizing the impact of your campaigns and improving your return on investment. Furthermore, Outbrain offers detailed analytics and reporting tools. You can track key metrics like impressions, clicks, and conversions, providing valuable insights into the performance of your campaigns. This data empowers you to optimize your strategies and fine-tune your targeting for even better results. Outbrain can be an invaluable asset for content marketers, businesses, and individuals seeking to expand their online presence. Its ability to connect your content with engaged audiences across a vast network of premium publishers makes it a compelling option for amplifying your message and achieving your marketing objectives. By leveraging Outbrain's robust targeting and analytics capabilities, you can effectively reach your desired audience and drive meaningful results. So, if you're looking to enhance your content distribution strategy, Outbrain is definitely worth considering.